Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom split level house for sale. The house is situated on a magnificent hillside plot, offering stunning panoramic views, including a magnificent sunset vista. It is located on Piccadilly Drive, Mandeville, Manchester. The driveway leads up to the house with plenty of parking space. The main upper floor features 4 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, providing plenty of storage space. There is also a fully equipped kitchen with a separate laundry room. The lower level of the house contains a single-car garage for parking and storage room. Adjoining to the main house is a self-contained 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom flat, providing ideal accommodation for a guest or extended family. The flat has an open-plan dining room and a covered side porch. This 0.36-acre property also features a lovely garden bearing fruit trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $194,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.